working in the IFM office where a lot of the operation takes place, and it's really a fun place to be because we are connected with so many different places around the globe. We have 30 different states represented as members of IFM, and we have 18 different countries. We have, in fact, a conference taking place just coming up not too very long from now in Africa, in Nigeria, an IFM conference, and we actually have a member from England, Jim Ford, who is on our board, the UK representative, and also Kola Emiola from Nigeria, who is on our board. So IFM is going back many places to its roots, where John G. Lake ministered in South Africa. We're again getting a presence in Africa. IFM provides licensing and ordination for people that are desirous of that. And one of the unique features of IFM is we provide charters, which allows ministries to have tax-exempt status, just like the IRS does. The way it works is actually we act like the IRS for organizations. We look over the shoulder and help ministries that may not have their own umbrella. We serve in that capacity and help them in every aspect of their ministry. We try and provide information on not only the governmental regulations, but also just on how ministries can be more effective and fruitful as God provides so many different ways that people are ministering. And that's one of the fun things I get to do, because I'm in communication by phone and email almost every day with people. And so I get to hear the wonderful stories that are going on as people are just going out and serving God in the unique ways that He's called them to do that. And it's really a great family with a lot of different operations going at the same time. And then we do gather, of course, for our conferences and for regional meetings. And that's one of the important things, because we really believe that we are a family, and therefore it's important that we gather together, both for encouragement, but also for wisdom, for sharing what's going on in our lives. And it provides, of course, in that sense, an accountability also. So we're really privileged to have that many different people spread around the globe that are all part of the IFM family.